Storage and processing that will facilitate for easier cloud adoption and modernization of ICT resources. Our strategic value-added services including facilities, co-location, cost connectivity, and infrastructure services to the retail, telcos, providing services.
Please do. There you go.
Except you've got my nose.
Awesome.